Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, an updated iPhone and unlocked screen. Swipe down or up to open Control Center depending on your model. Look for the padlock icon with a circular arrow, that is orientation lock. Tap it once to lock portrait. Once done, the padlock appears in the status bar. Make sure you're not in an app that forces landscape, and avoid rotating the device while toggling the setting so the system registers the change correctly. Next, you refine behavior across apps. You should quit any app currently in landscape by swiping up or using the app switcher, then lock orientation so new launches stay portrait. Open settings accessibility to confirm features like guided access or zoom are not overriding rotation. Some apps offer their own rotation controls inside their menus. Make sure those are set to portrait as well. This prevents apps from counteracting the system lock. To finish, verify the padlock icon stays visible and open several apps to confirm portrait holds. If the lock won't stick, restart your iPhone and toggle orientation lock again. Often a reboot clears temporary sensor or software glitches. If problems persist, use Reset All Settings as a last resort because it won't erase data but restores defaults. And if rotation still misbehaves, you're likely facing a hardware issue with the accelerometer. Contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.